Hello everyone. On behalf of Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology, under Ministry of Food Processing Industries, I welcome you all for the video demonstration session on processing of coconut milk under capacity building activity of PMFME scheme. The term coconut refers to the fruit of the coconut palm, which consists of a fibrous husk encasing a large seed or inner stone. The coconut palm is a species of palm tree, Cocoas nucifera, that grows to about 30 meters tall and is extensively cultivated in tropical climates. Coconut is grown in more than 93 countries of the world, and Indonesia, Philippines, and India are the major producing countries of the world. Traditional areas of coconut in India are the states of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Goa, West Bengal, Pondicherry, Maharashtra, and the islands of Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar. However, several states like Assam, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Tripura, Manipur, Nagaland, and Arunachal Pradesh have emerged as non-traditional areas for cultivation of coconut. Coconut is a highly nutritious fruit. It provides mostly fat, carbs, and proteins, along with many essential minerals such as manganese, copper, iron, and selenium. Eating coconut helps promote blood sugar control, lowers the risk factor for the heart disease, and is also a powerful antioxidant. Processing of coconut milk. Coconut milk is an important ingredient in Asian cuisines. It is defined as a milky fluid, manually or mechanically extracted from the grated coconut kernel with or without the addition of water. This is suitable for coconut milk extraction, imparting a unique flavor profile and creamy texture of coconut milk and cream. It is important to categorize coconut milk products according to fat content. The Codex Standards for Aqueous Coconut Products states that coconut milk should contain at least 10% fat, 2.7% non-fat solids, and 2.7 to 25.3% total solids. Coconut reception. Mature coconuts are delivered in trucks that discharge their loads at the reception area. Then follows pre-grading by manual inspection to remove any unsuitable, broken, or contaminated coconut. Dehusking and deshelling. Coconut dehusking involves removing of the husk from the coconut. Semi-automatic dehusking machines are involved to remove husk from the coconut shell. Deshelling means remove coconut brown shell from coconut fruit. For this, coconut deshelling machine is used, which detaches the hard coconut shell from dehusked coconut fruit via a rotating disc cutter. Coconut water extraction. Freshly dehusked and deshelled coconut are wide open to collect coconut water, which can be further used for any other purpose. Coconut opener tools like mallet, sharp knives are used. Coconut meat extraction. Meat removing is an important operation during the process of making of coconut milk. For this operation, testa removing machine, also called as coconut scraping machine or coconut powdering machine, is used, which effectively removes the shell from the coconut meat. Blanching and sorting. For blanching, the coconut meat is dipped in water for 80 degrees centigrade in blanching tank for about 2 to 3 minutes to soften it and to retain its flavor. After being blanched and sterilized by the hot water, it is then sprayed with cold water so that cooking process can be stopped. The coconut meat is then allowed slowly to move on sorting machines, conveyor belt, so that any undesirable and damaged coconut kernels can be removed and can be cut into small pieces. Coconut milk extraction. The coconut meat is then grated into small flakes using hammer mill before the extraction of the milk. Next, grated coconut flakes go into a series of screw press to extract coconut milk. The double screw type juice extraction is used, which has higher yield rate, which is about 55% to 60%. The kernels are fed into the hopper and coconut milk is pressed out. The extracted milk is discharged out, collected, and immediately next unit operation, which is first pasteurization, is done.
Preheating
or first pasteurization. There are two pasteurization processes used during coconut milk processing. The first process uses plate-type pasteurizers to do pre-pasteurizing. It is done
at 50 degrees centigrade
for about 15 to 20 seconds and then cooled, and immediately it is stored into the batch tanks for the process of homogenization. This process makes the coconut milk safe to drink by killing the bacteria. Homogenization. For coconut milk, fat content is the important criteria for categorization. This is achieved by homogenization. Homogenization reduces both the effective and primary particle size of coconut milk by about 50% to 75%. Typically, the use of emulsifiers and thickening agents
like guar gum
at levels less than 2% with homogenization can improve emulsion stability of coconut milk. Emulsifiers such as phospholipids like cephalin and lithium are added to improve the stability for longer product shelf life. Homogenization temperature normally applied at 55 degrees to 80 degrees centigrade, and homogenization pressure is between 10 to 25 MPa depending on the product.
Sterilization.
The second process of pasteurization is done before filling. This is tubular type UHT sterilizer is used to kill any bacterial endospores present in coconut milk. It is usually done for 3 to 5 seconds at 137 to 140 degrees centigrade. Packaging. After pasteurization, coconut milk is packed via aseptic filling
into multi-layer pack.
Cartons or hot filling is done into bottle or tin cans. The packages should be sealed and labeled with attractive labels. The label need to contain all relative product and legal information.
Canning process. Typically, 3-piece cans are used. 2 parts are made of steel, while the third part is fitted with an aluminium easy open end. Both parts in the 3-piece can are soldered, wired, or side seam bonded by adhesive. For 2-piece cans, there is an integral body and bottom fitted with an aluminium easy open end. A 3-piece can is made by printing and base lacquering sheets of tin plate, which are then cut into rectangular shapes of appropriate size.
Storage. To store coconut milk packages, it should be stored in cardboard box and the storage room should be clean, dry, cool and free from pests. Till now we have seen the process of coconut milk demonstration video in PMFME scheme under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, the Ministry of Food Processing Industries in partnership with state government and union territories has launched an all-Indian centrally sponsored Prime Minister formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises scheme for providing technical, financial, business support for upgradation of existing micro food processing enterprises.